In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Google AdSense approval in WordPress. First, head to the Google AdSense website and sign up for an account using your Google login. During sign-up, you'll be asked for basic details and to agree to the AdSense program policies. Make sure your site has original, useful content and is accessible to the public. This is key to approval. Next, enter the URL of your website during the setup. Use your main domain, not a test or staging address. Double check for typos here. AdSense will use this URL to verify and review your site. Now log into your WordPress dashboard. We'll use a free official plugin to handle the technical setup for you, so there's no need to edit theme files. From your dashboard, go to Plugins, then Add New. In the search bar, type SiteKit by Google. This plugin connects your site to Google services and makes AdSense integration straightforward. Click Install, then Activate. Once activated, SiteKit will guide you through its initial setup. Click Start Setup, sign in with your Google account, and allow the requested permissions. This helps verify site ownership and prepares your site to connect with AdSense. In the SiteKit dashboard or in the Settings tab, look for the AdSense section and select Connect Service. Follow the on-screen prompts to link your AdSense account. SiteKit will request permission to access your AdSense data and, importantly, will place the ad code on your site automatically. Avoid adding any extra AdSense code manually if SiteKit is handling it. Duplicate snippets can cause issues. With the code in place, Google begins reviewing your site. This typically happens automatically and can take a few days. During this period, keep your site live and navigable. Don't enable maintenance mode, block pages, or remove the code. You can check the status of your application by signing into your AdSense account. If Google needs anything, you'll see notices there. Keep an eye out for policy warnings and address them promptly to avoid delays. Once your site is approved and ready, ads will start showing automatically if you've enabled auto ads in AdSense. This lets Google optimize placements for you. If you prefer more control, you can adjust ad settings later, but start with auto ads for the quickest path to monetization. That's it. Sign up, connect via SiteKit, grant permissions, and let Google review your site. Keep your content high quality and your pages easy to access, and you'll be on your way to AdSense approval.